All right. So I'm a teacher up here in Canada, and I have a bit of a controversial opinion, I think, about if Americans should arm their teachers. And I'd say, yeah, I agree, they should. Uh, I think Americans should arm their teachers by passing gun laws that actually reduce gun violence, like universal background checks without silly gun show loopholes. I think Americans should arm their teachers by introducing gun violence restraining orders everywhere. Obviously, this allows family members or law enforcement to petition a court or temporarily ban or bar at-risk people from buying firearms. Police can even be permitted to confiscate their guns. Americans should arm their teachers by eliminating funding restrictions on gun violence research. Americans should arm their teachers by ending legal immunity for gun manufacturers. Americans should arm their teachers by having a mandatory waiting period before you can actually get your gun after you've purchased it. Americans should arm their teachers by eliminating high-capacity weapons for anyone under the age of 25. That's a pretty good one. Mandatory gun insurance. Americans should arm their teachers with mandatory gun insurance. Americans should arm their teachers by banning some fucking weapons. Also, high-capacity magazines and bump stocks. What the hell do you need that for? You don't need that. Arm your teachers. Americans should arm their teachers by insisting on mandatory training and licensing for owners, at least having licensing as intense as that needed for a driver's license. That makes sense to me. Americans should arm their teachers by initiating a gun buyback program, something that New Zealand has done successfully. And Americans should arm their teachers by lending them a hand, whether that be politically, emotionally, spiritually, whatever means you got. Lend teachers a hand. That's how you can arm your teachers. So yeah, I agree you should arm your teachers. And quite frankly, if I'm being honest with you, and I think I have been so far, you don't want people like me, teachers, having guns. I have been known to be a threat to myself with a piece of chalk. So, don't give us guns. That's stupid. And lastly, America, I think, personally, I've never looked up to you as a leader. And I know the world is taking that stance too. And you should do something about that by maybe following at least one or all 10 of these simple ways to arm your teachers. If I were an American teacher right now, I don't think I could help myself from rioting in the streets. I'd be protesting like crazy. If this were happening in my community, there's no way I would be sitting on my porch relaxing right now. I'd be doing something about it. And I hope by the time I post this video that teachers in the States are actually, organizing and doing something about it too. It's not up to the students, and clearly your politicians aren't helping you, so you got to do something. And I support you fully. In fact, I kind of want to go over there and do it for you. So get your act together and protest away, teachers. All right. Peace out for now.